Ontraport can host your videos, making it easier than ever to embed your content onto Ontraport Pages. You no longer need to pay extra video hosting bills because you can upload your entire video series to Ontraport along with your membership site and course pages. Even though high production videos take a lot of effort to make, they're a really effective way to bring your brand to life and communicate with your audience. So if you can swing it, swap out your boring product guide with an engaging 3-minute video. For example, that's why we created this as a video series. I'm going to talk about the 2 easy steps it takes to get your videos into Ontraport. First, we're going to upload your videos, and second, we're going to embed them into your pages. The first step is to upload your video. In your Ontraport account, navigate to Administration. Then, click on Video Manager inside of the Data tab. Once you're there, click Add New Video along the top. Here is where you'll name your video. Quick side note before I move on. If you're going to be uploading lots of videos to your account, it might be a good idea to think of some well-thought-out naming strategies ahead of time because it can be a real lifesaver. You can group videos in Ontraport based on things like course name, which then makes them a lot easier to find in the future. So then you can sort videos based on different filters, such as name contains interpersonal communication course, for example. Now once you've named your video, drag your video file into the space provided, or click Browse Computer and upload it from your computer. It's also important to mention here that Ontraport has a 200 megabyte cap on video sizes, so compress them down before you upload them. Once it's done uploading, you'll be taken back to your video collection. Now depending on the size of your video, it might take a few minutes to encode, and if it feels like it's taking a really long time, you can check on your video status here. Then click on your video's name to see a preview screen where you can watch the video. When your video is uploaded, insert it into a page. Whether it's a lead, sales, or membership page, the steps are the same. Find and open the page where you want to embed the video, then locate the video element along the left side and drag it into place. If you click on the element itself, you'll see these settings along the left. First up is the video provider. Drop this down and select Ontraport, and that will show an Add Ontraport Video dropdown, where you can select the video that you already uploaded. Next, you can decide if you want to turn on the audio on or off by default. Audio can be particularly useful in informational videos, but not so important in things like animations that show off a feature. The autoplay feature will work whether you choose audio on or off. Now, once you've got your video embedded and ready to go, you can play around with some different display settings, and I'm going to cover 3 of them here, starting with video color, then autoplay, then looping. You can dim your video to normal, dark, or very dark. But when would you need to do something like this? Well, sometimes dimming can help blend the video into your page. So if the video is designed to be more of a supporting role rather than the centerpiece of the page, a dimmed video will draw less attention. Autoplay is exactly what it sounds like. Turning this setting on means the video will automatically play once the page loads, but there's a lot more to think about here. First off, a loud noise starting without any warning is not cool. And the last thing you want to do is blow someone's first impression of you because you've annoyed them. Autoplaying video with audio on is a dangerous game, and in most cases I wouldn't recommend it. In fact, Google Chrome even rolled out some settings that might block this autoplay functionality altogether. So just know that not everyone will necessarily have the same page experience regardless of this setting. It's entirely up to you, but be careful and consider split testing this kind of interactivity. The third setting I'm going to talk about is looping. Turning this on will make the video replay once it's finished. It's the same idea as autoplay. Looping can be nice if your video doesn't include words that will keep repeating, because again, you don't want to annoy people. Now that you've embedded your video and adjusted it to your page, click Done to set the element settings. Then save, and then publish your page. And that's it. Wasn't so bad, right? All right, that covers Ontraport's video hosting feature. To recap, you learned how to upload your videos, insert them into pages, and all about the video's settings. In other videos, I'm going to cover the different types of files that you can upload to your Ontraport account.